zone 1 empty on the side of green line.
Cheng with the underhand set, and then the block. Chocomucho with a mini run here, Neil, which prompts Coach Sherwin to call time.
Ano palang pakiramdam na 19,000?
Wow!
Yung nanood kanina.
Wow!
Kaya pala...
Kaya wala akong marinig. Oo, sabi ko, mas tinatawag mo. Okay naman. Hindi, syempre, we're happy, especially for Rebisco na meron ganitong pagtitipon yung mga tao para pagtitipon yung mga tao para, you know, manood. And for sure, Sir Joy is very happy also na sobrang dami talaga sumusuporta sa Rebisco team.
Sobrang ganda ng game, so sulit.
Sulit. And we're always gonna be grateful for all the fans who travel from all over the country just to watch this game. Talagang nagkakaubusan ng tickets at maraming salamat. We really want to say thank you to all of you and we really appreciate you also. And we hope you, as much as we love the sport, sana mas mahalin nila and mas appreciate nila yung sport and yung mga players. May it be from other teams or kung ano mang teams.